In this captivating video, we invite you to witness our exclusive process of meticulously hand-washing and rinsing a black 1970 Corvette Stingray. We take pride in showcasing the breathtaking results of our team's diligent work on the exterior of this classic beauty, revealing a stunning finish that is sure to take your breath away. At Prestige Auto Appearance, we understand the importance of preserving the beauty of a classic car, which is why we dedicated tireless effort and attention to detail to restore this classic car to its original beauty. We have achieved a spotless and mirror-like paint finish that is the envy of all car enthusiasts. We did not stop there, as we went on to meticulously clean and detail the interior, leaving it looking and feeling like new. At Prestige Auto Appearance, we are committed to providing top-notch auto detailing services to our clients, and we guarantee to keep your car looking its best. Trust us to restore and protect your beloved car today. Follow and subscribe for more. Prestige Auto Appearance Ceramic Pro Allentown Elite Dealer. Experience the difference. Call us today at 610-628-4249 or visit us at 3826 Broadway, Allentown, Pennsylvania.